Hello my YouTube family, welcome to Easy Learning Economics. Make sure that you have subscribed my channel and you have been enjoying the Easy Learning Economics. So today our topic is price effect. Price effect is the aggregate of the substitution effect and income effect. So in this lecture we will learn that what is price effect. What is the importance of price effect from consumer and producer point of view? What are the types of price effect? Price effect on equilibrium quantity when goods are substitute, complement and Giffen goods. How price effect is combination of substitution and income effect. So these are the contents. So before to start the lecture, I would like to suggest some of my videos that would be helpful to understand the price effect, the types of goods, consumer equilibrium, indifference curve, budget line and income effect. So you must go through the videos, will be helpful to understand the price effect and you will have a better concept. I have already uploaded these my videos, so the link is also given in description box. So we start with lecture now here with the what is the price effect. So how can we define the price effect? Price effect means change in the level of consumer equilibrium. As we learned in consumer equilibrium that consumer equilibrium is disturbed through change in income, which we studied in the income effect, that the consumer equilibrium disturbs with the change in the price of commodity, which we are going to study in the price effect. So price effect means the change in level of consumer with change in price of commodity, but the income, taste, preferences of consumer and prices of related goods remain same. So it means that only the price changes but the income of consumer remains same and the other things must remain same. What is the importance of price effect and how does increase in price affects the consumer? The price effect tells about the effect of market price on consumer demand, that consumer purchases less quantity of good at increased price and consumer purchases more quantity of goods at decreased price with the given level of income. So price effect helps to understand the behavior of consumer with the change in price of commodity. What is the importance of price effect from producer point of view? Price effect tells about setting the offering price of goods and services that producer sells at high price, which tends to raise the revenue. So what are the types of price effect? How can we understand the different types of price effect? Here you can see that the impact of fall in price of good X on its quantity demanded. Nature of the goods is normal, where the income elasticity of demand is equal to 1 and the types of price effect will be positive and the quantity demanded of good X increases with the decrease in price. So the normal goods are those goods which are related in such a way that increase in income increase the demand of that good. So income effect is positive in case of normal goods, whereas the income effect is negative in case of inferior good. Price effect will be negative in case of inferior good, and the price effect will be 0 in case the nature of goods are neutral. Neutral goods are those goods with increase in income does not affect on the quantity demanded. Consumer with increase in income does not increase its demand for the medicine or salt. With type of price effect will be 0 in case of neutral good. How does price effect on equilibrium quantity when goods are substitute, complement and Giffen goods? Here is the chart that will help you to understand the what type of change is caused in the price of commodity and what type of good and what would be the effect on equilibrium quantity. So first of all, you can see here that the decrease in price of good X and the type of good is substitute. If the price of good X decreases, so the effect on equilibrium quantity will be that the increase in X and decrease in Y quantity. When the goods are complement, when there is a decrease in price of X, type of good X is complement, so the effect on equilibrium quantity will be that increase in X as well as Y. Complement goods are those which go together, which are used together. For example, car and fuel, or the bike and fuel, or the cartridge and printer. These are the complement goods. So the decrease in price of X commodity, increase in X as well as Y. So price of good X decreases and good is independent, so decrease in price of X, increase in quantity of X, and there will be no change in Y because they are independent, they does not affect on each other. Whereas when the decrease in price of good X, and the good X is of Giffen Goods, which violates the law of demand, so it means that X, the quantity of good X decreases. So this is all about the price effect on equilibrium quantity when the goods are of different nature, substitute, complement and Giffen Goods. Now we have to learn that how price effect is combination or aggregate of substitution and income effect, and how can we segregate the substitution effect and income effect from the price effect. This diagram will help you to understand the price effect very clearly. Budget line is AB, where indifference curve tangents the budget line at point E1. So initially the consumer is in equilibrium at E1 with Y1 quantity and X1 quantity of commodities. So as suppose the price of X decreases, due to decrease in price of X, the consumer reaches at new point of equilibrium, that is E2, and here the consumer substitute the X for Y. It means the consumer sacrifice or reduce his purchasing of Y in order to increase the commodity of X. So the consumer increase its purchases from X1 to X2. So the consumer is in equilibrium at point E2 here. So this is the X1 to X2, which shows the price effect, and in this effect the substitution effect and the income effect is also here. How to separate the substitution effect and income effect? We draw a hypothetical line, that is budget line, which is shown in dotted line JT, where indifference curve touches the budget line at E3. So the movement from E1 to E3 is the substitution effect, where it means the total price effect is equal to X1 X2. If we reduce the X1 and X3 from X2B, the remaining amount is X1 X3. It means it is the substitution effect. The movement from E1 to E3 is the substitution effect. The movement from E3 to E2, this is the income effect. So we can say here that fall in the price line rotates the budget line from AB to AB1, leading to the substitution of X for Y in the movement from E1 to E3. Income effect increases the consumption of both X and Y commodities in the movement from E3 to E2. The net effect is tiny decline in consumption of Y and major increase in consumption of X. Here we have learned that price effect is combination of substitution and income effect. So if we summarize, we can say that how the price effect is combination of substitution and income effect, that due to decrease in price the consumer substitute the X for Y, whereas due to decrease in price, on the other hand, the purchasing power of the consumer increases but the income remains same. As a result, the consumer shift to a new budget line and moves towards a higher indifference curve. The price effect is also called the price effect is combination of substitution and income effect. I hope it would be clear to all of you. If you have any query, you may ask in comment box. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thank you for watching.